Welcome to Software World by Top Tech Developers. Good morning everyone. I am delighted to introduce Top Tech Software Solutions, your trusted partner for innovative software and digital transformation. In today's fast-changing world, businesses need more than just software. They need smart, secure, and scalable technology solutions that help them grow. That's exactly what we deliver. At Top Tech Software Solutions, we understand that every business is unique, so we don't believe in one-size-fits-all products. Instead, we listen to your requirements, analyze your business processes, and develop customized software that improves efficiency, reduces manual work, and supports long-term growth. Thanks for watching. Top Tech Software Solutions is here to help. Let's build smarter solutions, grow together, and shape the future with technology.